Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel Section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solution, GSCP solution, Kids Zone and general knowledge, courses and quiz. We will be constantly updating our content with helpful information, articles, blogs, newsletters, new course announcements. We hope you find the new website with a fresh look, easy to access information. For any question, suggestion, feedback or comments, please contact us today. Today we will see a video related to mathematics subject. In that today's topic is NCERT solution for class 8 math, chapter 15, Introduction to Graphs, exercise 15.1. The first question of the textbook is, the following graph shows the temperature of a patient in a hospital, recorded every hour. So first question in that is, what was the patient's temperature at 1 p.m.? So at 1 p.m. the temperature was 36.5 degrees Celsius. That is, it is between 36 degree and 37 degrees. So it is 36.5 degrees Celsius. When was the patient temperature 38.5 degrees Celsius? So 38.5 is here and the answer is 12 noon. So the patient's temperature was 38.5 degrees Celsius at 12 noon. The patient temperature was the same 2 times during this period given. What were these 2 times? So it is 36.5 degree and 36.5 degree at 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. So the patient's temperature was same at 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. What was the temperature at 1:30 p.m.? How did you arrive at your answer? So it is 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. The point is here, that is 1:30 p.m. It is 36.5 degrees Celsius only. The temperature at 1:30 p.m. is 36.5 degrees Celsius. The point between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. x-axis is equidistant from the 2 points showing 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. So it represents 1:30 p.m. Similarly, the point on y-axis between 36 degree and 37 degree will be represent 36.5 degree Celsius. During which period did the patient's temperature show an upward trend? So the patient temperature shows the upward trend from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Second question, that is, the following line graph shows the yearly sales figures from a manufacturing company. What were the sales in 2002 and 2006? So the sales in 2002 is rupees 4 crore and in 2006 it is 8 crore. So it is rupees 8 crore. What were the sales in 2003 and 2005? So 2003 the sales was 7 crore, rupees 7 crore, and 2005 the sales was rupees 10 crore. Compute the difference between the sales in 2002 and 2006. The difference of sales in 2002 and 2006 is rupees 8 crore minus rupees 4 crore, that is rupees 4 crore. In which year was there the greatest difference between the sales as compared to its previous year? In the year 2005, there was a greatest difference between the sales and compared to its previous year, which is rupees 10 crore minus rupees 6 crore. So it is rupees 4 crore. Third question, from an experiment in botany two different plants, plant A and plant B, were grown under similar laboratory conditions. Their heights were measured at the end of each week for 3 weeks. The results are shown in the following graph. How high was plant A after 2 weeks? So this is 2 weeks. So it was 7 centimeter after 2 weeks, and 3 weeks. So the 3 weeks it was, we are talking about plant A, so it was 9 centimeter. How high was plant B after 2 weeks and 3 weeks? So plant B at 2 weeks was 7 centimeter, and 3 weeks it was 10 centimeter. How much did plant A grow during the third week? So plant A grew during the third week 9 centimeter minus 7 centimeter, that is 2 centimeter during the third week. How much did plant B grow from the end of the second week to the end of the third week? So end of the second week it was 7 centimeter, and end of the third week it was 10 centimeter. So 10 minus 7, that is 3 centimeter it grew at the end of third week. During which week did plant A grow most? So plant A grew the highest during the second week. During which week did the plant B grow least? So plant B grew the least during the first week. Were the two plants of the same height during any week shown here? Specify. Yes. At the end of second week, plant A and B were the same height, which is 7 centimeter. Now, fourth question. The following graph shows the temperature forecast and the actual temperature for each day of a week. On which day was the forecast temperature the same as the actual temperature? So, on Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday, the forecast temperature was same as the actual temperature. What was the maximum forecast temperature during the week? The maximum forecast temperature during the week was 35 degrees Celsius. What was the minimum actual temperature during the week? The minimum actual temperature was 15 degrees Celsius. On which day did the actual temperature differ the most from the forecast temperature? The actual temperature differed the most from the forecast temperature on Thursday. Fifth question. Use the tables below to draw linear graphs. The number of days a hillside city received snow in different years. So these are the years: 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. Days are 8, 10, 5, 12. Considered years along x-axis and days along y-axis. Using given information, linear graph will look like. This is the linear graph: 8 days, 10 days, 5 days, and 12 days in the particular years. Population in thousands of men and women in a village in different years. So these are the years, number of men, number of women. So the graph will look like this. Sixth question. A courier person cycles from a town to a neighboring suburban area to deliver a parcel to a merchant. His distance from the town at different times is shown by the following graph. What is the scale taken for the time axis? It is 4 unit equals to 1 hour. How much time did the person take for travel? The person took 3.5 hours for the travel. How far is the place of a merchant from the town? It is 22 kilometers far from the town. Did the person stop on his way? Yes. This was been indicated by the horizontal part of the graph. He stayed from 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. During which period did he ride fastest? He rides the fastest between the 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Can there be a time temperature graph as follows? Justify your answer. It is a first graph. It is time temperature graph. It is showing the increase in temperature as time increases. Second, it is a time temperature graph. It is showing the decrease in the temperature as time increases. Third, the graph figure third is not possible since temperature is increasing very rapidly, which is not possible. Fourth, it is the time temperature graph. It is showing constant temperature. So this was exercise 15.1 of chapter 15 of class 8. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.